Hi, this is Sheryl McCoy. It seems that when I came into YouTube, I was only receiving notifications today or recently on various channels. So what I needed to do was go and find out what is different on the channels where I am subscribing as well as the channels that I am receiving notifications on and subscribe to. So I went to one of my favorite YouTube channels. That's Nellie Deutsch EDD, and she will teach you how to make YouTube part of your teaching experience. I came here and I'm like, okay, where's the bell? There's the bell. Okay, it's gray. So it's not going to change colors, but what's going to happen when I click on it, you'll see kind of like the image of sound. So watch this. There it is. So that's the image of sound. That means I am going to receive notifications. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Into Teaching Everyone. Thank you very much for listening.